Hey guys, amberalycee here. Welcome back to my channel where you can find all things hair, makeup, and product review related. So in today's video, I am going to be doing a 1.5 month update video on some hair that I picked up from my beauty supply store. This is the Outre Remi Brazilian. So if you're interested in that, then definitely stay tuned. Alright, so hopping straight into the video, I want to just go ahead and give you guys all of the updates on the hair and my final opinion of this hair. I was initially going to try to leave this up for 2 months. Like I said, it has been a 1.5 months, but I am probably going to go ahead and take this hair out after I get done filming this video. So overall, this hair was actually really well. Like I said, I got it from my beauty supply store, and this is some of the better hair that I have gotten from the beauty supply store. So if you want that information as far as about the price, what the packaging and all of that stuff looks like, I will link down below in the description box the initial unboxing, because I'm not going to go over all of the information. I just want to go ahead and let you guys know pretty much my final thoughts on the hair. So if I had to rate this hair, I would give it a solid 8 out of 10, and I'll let you guys know why I feel that way. So like I said, I have not really had any issues with this hair except for one thing, which is pretty much the reason why I'm going ahead and taking this hair down now instead of waiting until the end of the month. As far as the pros, this hair was very good at not tangling. I do have a 14-inch closure, a 14-inch bundle, 16-inch bundle, and an 18-inch bundle. So those are the lengths. And you know, sometimes hair, the longer it is, it'll kind of like ball up sometimes in the back, or you'll have to constantly worry about detangling. I have never had to worry about that, not even when I washed this hair. So I actually washed my hair every other week, and it held up pretty nicely. Back to what I was mentioning about it not tangling, that was definitely one of the things that probably really set the bar for this hair, especially with it being from the beauty supply store. So the next thing that I wanted to say, this hair does curl, and it does hold a curl fairly well. So I have hot curled my hair with a big barrel iron. I constantly flat iron this hair, and I also used my crimp iron as well. So this hair has taken a lot of heat. I've pretty much put heat on this hair every single day unless I wasn't going somewhere. And then I also flex rotted the hair as well, because I wanted to see the different, I wanted to pretty much see how did the hair work with different types of curls. So I'll insert a picture of how I wore it when I flexi rotted, just so you guys can get a general idea of what it looked like when it was flexi rotted. I'll insert a picture of how I used my straightening iron to actually kind of add curls to the end. I don't have any pictures of me when I did the crimp iron or the barrel curls, but I mean, it was pretty much the same. As far as the barrel iron, the curls came out the same, and my hair lasted the longest when I did my crimp iron. So I was actually able to wear that about 2 days. But as far as all of the other curls, pretty much by the end of the day, they were kind of out of the hair by then. So I didn't add any kind of setting spray or styling products or anything like that. So I don't know if that had anything to do with the curls not lasting long. But with it being a Remi texture, I didn't really want to add a lot of products to this hair because it makes it a lot stiffer, a lot faster. And like I told you guys, I only wash this hair every other week. So I did want to just show you guys the ends of the hair and how they still look pretty healthy even after me doing all of that with adding all of the heat constantly to my hair. So I'm either going to cut out to another scene, or I'm either going to include it somewhere over here of what my hair looks like after I actually washed it. And I think I was talking in that part, so I'm probably just going to go ahead and switch over to that, and then I'll come back and finish saying what I was going to say. So I am done with my hair. I just wanted to come on here really quickly and show you guys what it looks like. I'm gonna show y'all really quickly because I did not mention this in my first video. I always use Garnier Fructis products on my Remi hair. This is the shampoo that I use. This is the conditioner. And then I always go in with the Sleek and Shine serum. I've always used this, and it has always worked really good on my Remi hair. I always like to go in with some type of heat protectant. This does not matter. I just had the Cream of Nature Arganol brand on hand, so I just used that one. And then it's always handy to use my Tangle Teaser. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like, and then I'll cut back into the other scene so that you guys can finish getting the rest of the details on this hair. All right, so what I was about to say is the hair turned out really well. Every time I washed it, it was pretty much just like new. I did notice that when I washed the hair that some of the dye came out of it. I'm not used to Remi hair actually having hair dye in it, so when I kind of saw it draining, I don't know if that's something that would matter to you guys, but I just thought that I would let you guys know. I also like that this hair looks extremely natural, and I think that it looks like a perm texture, so I really like this as far as the blendability. Now, I do have a closure in, and as you guys can see, I have this headband on, and that's another thing that I liked about this hair was that the closure that I got, it wasn't the same as the Outre hair, but I did mention that it was a prime closure. They also sell that brand at the beauty supply store as well, and I personally like this one over my closures that I ordered from online because this one was not bulky. My part stayed the entire time, and I didn't have to really, I didn't have to go in and pretty much deal with the parting space every time I got done washing my hair. And the main thing is that I really love how nice and flat this closure lays. So I was able to actually wear my headbands with my hair because I didn't have to worry about trying to hide the bulkiness of a lot of the closures that I get offline. So personally, I think whenever I do order hair from now on, I'll probably just pick up a beauty supply store closure and then just order my bundles offline because I actually really like this one. So that's another thing that I really liked about the closure. So that's pretty much a wrap of everything that I enjoyed about this hair. There was only one thing that I did not like about this hair. You guys have probably already figured it out because I didn't mention it as a pro, and that was shedding. I was very, very disappointed with this hair when it came to the shedding because this hair shedded constantly and it shedded every single day. So whenever I went through and started styling my hair, I was guaranteed to have shedding, and I'm pretty much just going to start including those pictures popping up of about the amount of shedding I got every time I ran my Tangle Teaser brush through it, which I was very surprised because you guys know Tangle Teasers are to get tangles out. Well, I didn't have any tangles, but I was assuming that I wouldn't get shedding with it. I tried a regular brush, I tried my wide tooth comb, I tried my like I said, my Tangle Teaser, and it didn't matter what I used on this hair. Every single time my hair shedded, and it got so bad to the point where I was originally wanting to wear this hair all the way until the end of February, but I could no longer deal with the amount of shedding that I was getting. So to you guys, maybe on those pictures that doesn't seem like a lot, but when you have that kind of shedding every single day, that's definitely way too much hair to be shedding, especially because I actually went through and sealed my wefts before I installed this. I feel like there's no reason for my hair to have been shedding like that, and this hair is like all over the floor, so I have to sweep the floor every time I get done doing my hair because it's literally just all over the floor. I found this hair in places that, I mean, just unheard of. Like, it was everywhere. And so even my mom would say, like, she would see hair just kind of like laying around, and I don't like that. I couldn't deal with that. Like I said, I give it an 8 out of 10 because I really, really liked this hair, but the shedding was just way too much for me. I did see some other ladies say on their videos that they got shedding as well, and then I saw some ladies say that they didn't, and I also read a lot of comments, and it was just kind of like a toss-up. So I really don't know if it has something to do with just the particular batch of hair that you get, or if this hair actually just sheds like that. But I can tell you now that I am one of those people. I take really good care of my hair, so to see it shed like that, that was definitely a big thumbs down for me. But like I said, I give this an 8 out of 10 because all of the other things were really, really great about it, especially as far as not tangling. Alright you guys, so I'm actually getting ready to clean my bathroom, and I was starting to sweep up. Like I told you guys, I usually have to sweep my floor every day because this is how much the hair was shedding. So I'm so glad that I actually ran out of time this morning and I had to go ahead and leave before sweeping because this is perfect evidence of pretty much what I have to deal with every single day when I do my hair in the morning. I have to sweep my floor up because the hair, it just sheds like crazy. And like I said, this hair is very, very beautiful, but it's not worth me having to deal with this every single day. I don't believe I've had any hair that has ever shedded to the magnitude of what this has shed. So I just wanted to come on here and actually show you guys exactly what I was talking about and let you know that this is the type of shedding that I have to deal with every day. So that's pretty much the review of this hair. I'll turn around and show you guys what it looks like, just in case you're wondering, like as far as the length or whatever. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did like this video, or if this video was helpful, please do give me a big thumbs up, because it does help my channel. And that's pretty much going to be it. Feel free to share the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.